Hi, this is Roger Peterson from PMMI Lighting. I'd like to share a little video this morning of a new announcement we have. And our driver that we've been using in our systems has just been discontinued. It was a Meanwell driver, a 1-amp driver, and we used a lot of them in our system. Back here on these boards, these are all our driver boards. And each driver board has 16 of those drivers in it. We can have a total of 160 drivers in one system. And they were being discontinued by Meanwell, so we went to work prototyping new drivers. After about the 5th prototype, we found one that seemed to meet or exceed all of our criteria, and so we made a pretty large test batch and started testing. And after all the testing we've done, they seem to far exceed our criteria that we'd set up we needed for our driver. So we decided to go ahead and put it on our webpage and make it available to you in case you're having the same problems of finding the DC to DC driver, constant current, that you'd like. We'd like to help you out. But take a look at it and give us a call. Again, I'm Roger Peterson with PMMI Lighting, and I'll be seeing you in some more videos real quick.